In a small village, there was a tiny house where Ramlal lived with his wife Sunita and their son Deepak. Ramlal used to work in a factory, but after the factory shut down, he lost his job. Day by day, their financial condition became worse.
I'm thinking until you find a job, I will start working in 2 or 3 houses.
No, Sunita, I can't watch you go door to door for work. I'll find something soon. Please don't worry. By the way, where is Deepak? Where is he?
He went outside. I sent him to buy some sugar.
Oh, all right. Sunita had given Deepak money to buy groceries. But on the way, he stopped after seeing a roadside stall selling momos and pani puri.
Momos! Pani puri! My mouth is watering!
Deepak stood there watching people enjoy the food. He didn't have enough money to buy any. Then an idea came to his mind. He bought the sugar and also a little flour before going home.
Oh, I only told you to buy sugar. Why did you bring flour?
Mom, I saw the momos and a pani puri stall on the road. I really wanted to eat them, but I didn't. So I brought some flour instead. Can you please make momos for me at home?
Sunita got upset after hearing this.
We barely have food at home and you are asking me to make momos? You have wasted our money.
Hey Sunita, don't be so angry. He's just a child. Children naturally crave these things. Now that he has brought the flour, why not make them?
Fine. Since we already have it, I won't waste it. Let me cook it now.
That evening, Sunita kneaded the flour and shaped it into momos. But then she realized something. She didn't have a steamer.
Now how do I cook these without steaming them?
She thought for a while. Then, suddenly, an idea struck her.
Raw flour isn't good to eat. I'll fry the momos instead. Fill them with potatoes and chickpeas. And serve them with pani puri. At least Deepak will be happy today.
Sunita fried the momos until they turned crispy. Then she filled them with boiled potatoes and chickpeas.
Wow! These actually look delicious. Now let me quickly prepare some sweet and tangy water too.
She prepared the flavored water and called everyone.
Come here. Look what I have made.
Wow! This looks so different.
Taste it first and then tell me.
Deepak filled the crispy momo with tamarind water and took a bite. The taste was even better than he had imagined.
Wow, Mom! What you have created? Momos? Pani puri?
Honestly, Sunita, the whole village already praises your cooking. But this talent of creating something completely new, it's truly amazing. Sunita smiled proudly. The next day, she made the crunchy pani puri momos again and shared them with some neighborhood women. Everyone loved them.
Sunita, you have cooked something delicious. You turned momos into pani puri. I have always told you, you should start a food business. There's a good money in this. Please listen to me this time. Mark my words, you will earn good in this business.
Meena's words stayed in Sunita's mind. Their financial problems were already getting worse. That night, during dinner, she shared the idea with Ramlal.
It's been so many days. We have to do something now. Otherwise, we will go hungry.
I'm trying my best.
I have an idea. We can earn good money and I will help you too. Shall I tell you?
What's your idea, Sunita?
Let's start a crunchy pani puri momo stall. It's something new. People might really like it.
Mom, that's an amazing idea. I will tell my friends. They will definitely come.
Ramlal liked the idea too. But where will we get the money? And what if it doesn't work? Huh?
We don't need much money. We will start with whatever little we have. If we give up now, nothing will ever change. Let's give it a try.
Ramlal understood her point. The next morning, Sunita prepared the dough, made the potato and chickpea filling, and shaped fresh momos. Together, they loaded everything onto a handcart and reached the marketplace. On the cart, they hung a board that read, Crunchy Pani Puri Momos. This fascinating name attracts many villagers. What's this new item, brother?
It's crunchy pani puri momos. The fun of momos and pani puri together.
The customer hesitated for a moment, then ordered one plate. As soon as he took the first bite, his eyes lit up. Oh wow, this is amazing! Slowly, more people gathered around the stall. Within days, long lines started forming. Everyone praised the unique taste. One day, a food blogger from the village visited their stall. He recorded a video and posted it on social media. The video went viral. Soon, people started coming from nearby towns and cities just to try their famous crunchy pani puri momos.
Look, dear, our stall is getting more crowded every day. Our good days are finally coming.
Yes, Sunita, all this happened because of you. I never even had the courage to start a street stall.
It happened because you stood beside me. We did this together.
Tears filled their eyes. They had never imagined that their small roadside stall would change their lives. A few months later, crunchy pani puri momos had become famous across many cities.
Someone once said, people who dream and work hard never truly lose.